Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to make cylinder more round in Blender. In this tutorial, I will add the cylinder, so go to Add and Merge. We can find cylinder here and closer to view it. If you want to make it round, we can right click and go to Shade Auto Smooth, so we can make cylinder round visually. If we go to Modifier Properties, we can find the Smooth by Angle Modifier is added. We can click the small arrow to apply it. If we want to go back, we can right click and shade flat. So we can go to make it more round, so we can shade auto smooth and apply it. This is the way to make more round visually. If we want to make more round in geometry, firstly we can show the geometry by clicking during the wireframe. So we can see the geometry here. Next, we can select the cylinder and then go to Add Modifier, go to Generate and choose Subdivision Surface Modifier. Next, we can increase number of levels viewports to 2, for example. But we can see that this is not a cylinder because the top cap and the bottom cap are Ngon. So we can select the cylinder and go to Edit Mode. Next, we can delete the Ngon faces. I select the face selection and select top face and delete face. And select the bottom face and delete it. Next, we can go to Add Selection and press Alt and click on Edge to select Edge Loop. Next, we can go to Face and then we can choose Grid Fill to fill with quad face, and I open the Grid Fill panel and adjust offset to align the axis. Next, we can see that the edge is kept in round, so we can go to the panel, click the small arrow, and then we can go to Item. We can increase Min Crease to 1 to make the edge sharp. So we can do the same thing for the bottom. So this is how we can make cylinder more round in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video. Bye bye.